Hi nostalgic home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a ruby red cranberry sauce.
This delicious sweet and tangy sauce brings the perfect balance of fruity brightness to the holiday feast. Pairs perfectly with creamy baked brie, layer on top of desserts, or stir into baked goods.
This cranberry sauce has a lovely tartness from the fresh cranberries but is mellowed out by the smooth deep flavors of apple cider. It is so easy to make at home, you'll never go back to store-bought cranberry sauce again. Not only the perfect turkey condiment, this is a great festive fruit spread for desserts, appetizers, or even just mix into batter.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make easy homemade cranberry sauce.
To start this super simple recipe, I'm going to add a 340-gram bag of fresh cranberries to a sauce pot on medium-high heat. To the pot, add in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of apple cider. Stir this together and then partially cover with a lid, leaving a little space for steam to escape. Allow the mixture to come to a boil and cook for 10 minutes. When you start to see or hear the cranberries start to pop and burst, you can mash them easily with just the back of a spoon. The mixture will start to thicken naturally from the sugar and the pectin in the cranberries. If you're making this sauce ahead of time, transfer to a dish, allow it to cool to room temperature, then cover and store in the fridge. This cranberry sauce is perfect served warm or cold, and is the perfect bright pop of color to serve alongside the holiday feast. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.